Hello beautiful people, it's Anita. Welcome to my channel, and as you can see, I am getting ready to do a challenge for myself. I need to create 50 pair of earrings over the next 2 days using seed beads and cowrie shells. I'm gonna keep it real simple, real simple. Okay, I laid out my supplies. Here you see my cowrie shells, my wires, my ear hooks, my jump rings, seed beads, and all my tools necessary for making these earrings. Here I'm showing you how I attach my ear wire and jump ring, and I will create a full version at a later date right around the corner, so look for that. And I've done it. 58 pieces completed. I did get some inspiration and do a couple of other things, but I completed 58 earrings. That's it. See you guys on the next video. Love and like. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm out.